No credit check, no problem. You can still get a signature loan, but it will likely cost you much more. Signature loan with no credit check seem like a good idea in theory, but borrowing money this way can be far more expensive than other options because lenders have to make loans without the benefit of checking the applicant credit score and knowing their borrowing history. These loans tend to be pricier than normal loans and with more fine print. If you are considering a signature loan with no credit check, you should know how these loans differ from other funding option like a traditional unsecured personal loan in addition to how much more they may cost you. Signature loan with no credit check. A signature loan is a type of loan that only requires your signature and promise to repay. They generally have lower rates than credit cards and higher rates than other than loans secured with an asset as collateral. Signature loan can include unsecured personal loans. The signature loan with no credit check is essentially a paid loan with riskier terms as with the traditional unsecured loans. Payday loans don't require collateral, yet interest rates on these loans can easily be over 400%. However, their interest rates can be capped by state law. Some states do not allow payday lending at all. Signature loans with no credit check are also offered in much smaller amounts than typical personal loans, the best of which we may offer up to $50,000 or even higher depending on the lender. For paid loans, you are usually limited to borrowing $500 or $1,000, although some lenders offer loans for up to $10,000. Finally, signature loans with no credit check may require you to pay back the money in a much shorter time frame, such as within 2 weeks or a couple of months. In contrast, traditional personal lenders often yet let you pay a loan off in 24 to 84 months. Payday loans versus the traditional signature loan. Here how payday loans compare to traditional personal loans based on several key factors. Typical interest rates. Signature loan with no credit check 400% APR or higher. Traditional personal loans 5.99% to 35.99% APR. Typical loan limits. Signature loan with no credit check $500 to $1,000. Traditional personal loans $1,000 to $1 lakh. Typical repayment terms 2 weeks to 60 days. Traditional personal loans 24 to 84 months. Collateral required. Signature loan with no credit check, no. Traditional personal loans no fees. Signature loan with no credit check fee amount vary. Traditional personal loans origination fee is very potentially as high as 12%. Minimum credit score and over a signature loan with no credit check and over a traditional personal loans varies, but typically fair credit are better. Signature loan with no credit check, pros and cons. Payday loans are expensive overall, so you should look for more affordable borrowing option. That said, there are a few reasons people use these loans. Pros and cons. Pros get funding regardless of your credit score. Cons expensive